Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do part two of my makeup collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed part one. I literally love everything that I have that is makeup related or anything makeup, so I really hope you guys enjoy it too. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love makeup, because why not? Why else would you be here? And click the notification bell so every time that I upload a video, you will get notified. So let's get into my makeup collection. Part 2 will be on the other side of my Alex drawers, not my Alex and Annie, that's a bracelet. My Alex drawers I also want to put in are from IKEA. So if you want to look them up, I will have them linked down below. Alright, so we're on this side of my Alex drawers. We're going to be doing primers, setting powders, beauty blenders, eyebrows, and miscellaneous. Concealer and eye primer, bronzer and blush, then more eyeshadow palettes down below. So let's get into this drawer. So we got some dirty beauty blenders that are right here, and some clean beauty blenders. You can never have enough beauty blenders, so trust me, I've seen people who have more. These are my primers. So we got the Tatcha Silk Canvas, my tried and true primerizer, the Fenty one, and then a bunch of like sample sizes. And then back here, we have all my setting powders. So I'll grab one like Max Fix Plus, Urban Decay All Nighter, and a travel setting spray. This is the Ebony water. It's bougie. It's literally water in a can, but I bought it anyway. And then Tarte sent me this Mermaid Mist, and you can see it. It's got glitter in it. I don't know why they sent me it. I ordered a bunch of stuff and I got this and lashes from them for free. They didn't pay me. So that's pretty cool, but it was addressed to my name, so it's not like I got someone else's order. So that was cool. So here's my beauty blenders. These are all the dirty ones that I literally need to clean, which is sad. And then these are all my clean ones. Got a Morphe one in here. You know, gotta support Morphe. Next, we're going into eyebrows and the miscellaneous drawer. So this is where I have my extra Max Fix Plus. These paints that I plan on doing for Halloween, I got them too late this year to use for Halloween, so there's that. These are the brushes I have for it, and then these are my two mirrors. This is my red one I got in my mystery box by Jeffree Star, and then, oops, this is my firecracker popsicle one that I got from him as well over the summer. And then here are my eyebrow products. They're literally all Anastasia and Benefit. And then one Sephora one that I got randomly. So this is a brow pomade. Not the biggest fan of those anymore. Got a little brush. Got my Gimme Brows all right here. My brow contour. And then my brow definer and Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then set the brows. And then, so we're coming down here. Here are my concealers and eye primers. I literally have, like I said, I have a bunch of Tarte. I think I have the same amount of shades. I have 2, 4, 5 of them. Here's the a different Tarte one. This is the, can't pronounce that, but this is really good. Sample size of a Tarte one. Benefit, Fenty. And then this new one is so good by Tarte. It is the Amazonian Clay. Literally, oh, that's weird. I literally love it. The Fenty eyeshadow palette's back here because I don't really touch it. It is more of like a glittery. So we have my tape in here. Some glitters. This is my brow, not my brow, this is my Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. These are glitter glue by Too Faced, and then shadow insurance by Too Faced, eye remover, and then this all right here that I'm pointing at is glitters, and that's an eyeshadow base. And then my tapes. And then we go into bronzer and blush. And these are all my blushes. So I have a bunch of Tarte. Like literally all this is Tarte. And then we got a Pixie, a Morphe, and a Becca one. And then this is the Bang Beauty. And then over here is my bronzers. These are just like individual ones too. I have palettes in the back. My Marc Jacobs, Fenty, Too Faced right here. And then Tarte right there, and then Milk Makeup. And then over here I have the blushes all my blushes literally right here. So I got the new one from this holiday, the back to school one, the big three, the big blush book volume 3, and then this was from the holiday one last year, and then this is the blush bar by Benefit. So literally all right here is all my blushes, my bronzers that I love, and you know, my blushes, and then this is a Sephora one that we just got. And then let's go into my eyeshadows. These are all the palettes that I'll let you know that I use more on a daily basis. Not like I don't do my makeup daily, but like I use more often. Sorry that I'm like moving around a lot, but you know, we got the James Charles palette. Here we literally have all the Too Faced ones that I own. So these are all the chocolate bar ones. We got peach, gingerbread, and this one is for Clover. Oops. And then these are all the mini ones by Too Faced. So this is the honey one. This is the honey and peanut butter and jelly one, or just peanut butter and jelly. What if I can get it back in? Those are those. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. So we got Modern Renaissance, Soft Glam, and Nirvana. Then we have the Candy Johnson by by Too Faced. Tarte's Pro palette. I don't know what this one is. That just literally just slammed. Oh, just peach palette. And then there's two right here, two Smashbox ones. Here's the new Laura Lee one. Here's little ColourPop eyeshadows. Not the Ring the Alarm, but this is the Vault Collection by Jaclyn Hill. We have two regular Marc Jacobs, and then we have the Holiday by Marc Jacobs from last year. And then we have two Tartes, literally right here. So here's this Tarte. Here's this one. And then we have the Aspen one. And then I have the Best Year Ever by Too Faced last year, my Jaclyn Hill palette. And then the other Best Year Ever by Too Faced. And then the Natural palette by Too Faced. So those are literally all my eyeshadows that I use more often than the other side. But the other side has more of my influencer ones, but James Charles is over here because I couldn't find any room over there, but I probably could now. So we're just gonna put these back where I got them. And then I also want to show you what is in this makeup stand, literally right here. This is literally miscellaneous and chapsticks, and then stuff for my hand sanitizers. And in here we have my contacts, Invisalign, and my rubber bands. And then here is all hair products, and then this stupid notepad by Sephora. This is my makeup stand. It's a little messy right now. And then here is my vanity. My dad built this for me. So the mirror and all this is like from like Home Depot. My lights are from Impressions Vanity. If I find them, I'll link them down below. And then I made this ring light because a girl that I graduated with in high school, she DIY'd one herself, and I asked her how she did it, and that's how she made it. It's not on right now because I don't really need it right now. But yeah. And then this is my little mirror. This is just from Target. Oh, there's two of me. Yep, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my makeup collection. Do you think I mean, I honestly, it's okay if you think I have too much. I know I have a lot of makeup, but here's the thing. I also share all this with my mom if you stayed this long here. So it's not just all mine, like I share it with my mother as well. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys for the last day of Vlogmas tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Subscribe and join the fam. I'll say it again, subscribe, join us. We would love to have you. We're one big happy family. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.